Hello guys, welcome back. So today I have my hands on the Tecno Camon 17 for a quick review. If that sounds interesting, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. And now let's hop straight into the video. Coming in at $200 or 20,000 Kenya shillings, the Tecno Camon 17 is a great choice for those who are on a tight budget. But is this phone really worth buying? On opening up the box, Tecno were kind enough to include an 18-watt fast charger which also comes with a USB Type-A to mini USB charging cable. You also get a pair of earphones which are okay when it comes to audio quality but aren't that great when it comes to comfortability. Also included in the box is a plastic phone case which helps in increasing the phone's durability. The Tecno Camon 17 comes in a variety of colors and the one I have here is the Frost Silver version. Let's move on to the build quality. The Tecno Camon 17 comes with a plastic frame all round with a matte finish. This gives it a great texture and nice feel generally when using the phone. The back of the phone doesn't pick up any fingerprints but gets some occasional smudges here and there. The fingerprint sensor is mounted at the back of the phone, and I know this might be an inconvenience since many of us are now used to side-mounted or in-display fingerprint scanners. But anyways, the one on the Tecno Camon 17 still works quite well, and I found it to be both fast and efficient, and I've had no issues with it whatsoever. Moving on to the display, the Tecno Camon 17 comes with a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1600 by 720p. The screen has a variable 90Hz refresh rate and a 180Hz touch sampling rate. I know the industry standard as of now is using an AMOLED panel, but the LCD panel on the phone still does quite a nice job when it comes to contrast and color accuracy. Scrolling through the phone feels fast and responsive, which is an added bonus especially when gaming. This doesn't really change even if you fit your phone with a screen protector. The screen remains responsive and snappy, and the general smoothness isn't really affected. The phone has an 83.6% screen-to-body ratio and a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The screen has a peak brightness of about 500 nits, which isn't necessarily the best but is bright enough for outdoor use without you having to strain your eyes. Now, let's talk about sound. For audio, the Tecno Camon 17 comes with a single stereo speaker which is located at the bottom of the phone along with a 3mm headphone jack, both of which provide high quality sound. It's nice to see that Tecno still include headphone jacks in their phones in 2021, seeing as most smartphone companies such as Apple, Samsung and even Google decided to get rid of headphone jacks from all of their flagships altogether. I don't really know if this will be the trend with the Tecno smartphones in the future, but I guess for that we just have to wait and see. The microphone is located at the bottom of the phone and the volume keys are located at the right, along with the power button for easy accessibility. Let's now move on to performance. The Tecno Camon 17 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 12nm chipset, and the GPU present on board is a Mali G52 GPU. Both of these components deliver great performance in both gaming and multitasking, especially at this low price point. In terms of storage, the Tecno Camon 17 comes with either 4 or 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. You can also easily expand the storage since the phone comes with an SD card slot and also supports dual 4G SIM connectivity. Let's now move on to the battery life. The Tecno Camon 17 is fitted with a 5000 mAh battery which can easily last the whole day, even if you're doing demanding stuff like streaming Netflix, watching videos, or maybe even gaming. The 18-watt fast charger included in the box will get the battery from 0 to 100% in around 2 hours. Sadly, there is no support for wireless charging, but this is to be expected of a phone at this price point. I wish the battery supported faster charging, but other than that, I can't really complain about the phone's performance. It's actually quite nice. Let's move on to the camera. The Tecno Camon 17 comes with a 48 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel selfie camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The photos are quite nice and decent, and here are a few samples that were taken by the phone's cameras. let's now move on to videos. The Tecno Camon 17 can capture footage all the way up to 2K or 1440p resolution. Sadly, there is no image stabilization at all in this resolution. For that, you'll have to drop down the video quality to 1080p. If you want better image and video quality, I would recommend saving up a little bit more and upgrading to the Pro version of the phone, which comes with capturing capability all the way up to 4K 30fps, and there is better image stabilization. So, for around $200 or 20,000 Kenya shillings, you get a phone with a great design and a remarkable price to performance ratio. So, is this something I would really recommend? If you're on a tight budget, this is a nice option for your money, though I would recommend you save up a little bit more so that you can buy the Pro version of the phone, which comes with more features. All things considered, the Tecno Camon 17 still remains a great phone, especially at its price point, and I have no problem whatsoever recommending it. So anyways, that's the end of the video. If you found it helpful and interesting, please be sure to like, share and subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you next time.